Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Macau. Okay, so this particular one is we're going to be doing a road, and I'm going to be putting some images up behind me. This is from Macau Antigua, which is a website, a blog, and they do a lot of Macau history. So the best way for me to understand him is by sharing this with you. And actually, this videos, they don't really have anything to do with history. They're about the streets. So keep that in mind. I'm actually filming the streets, and I want to show you what the street is, but we have these names of the streets, which is interesting, and it's does kind of help us understand a lot of this of the city by understanding the streets. So this particular name, this is a governor in the 1800s in Macau, and he actually he built this road that went all the way to Mong Ha. I'll show it on the map behind me as well, and you'll also be seeing some of his work that he's able to put forward while he was a governor in Macau, including San Francisco Gardens, the Gia Lighthouse, the first lighthouse in Asia. That was all under this particular governor. And he also drove the expansion northward towards Mong Ha, and this road is named after him. So, so basically this video is all about this road and what you see on it in 2024. But I think it's also interesting just to get a better understanding of these streets and who they're named after. And this is one of those videos. But anyways, let's get right into it and show you the street, what it looks like today in 2024, now that you know the history as well. Okay, got a little Macau thing right there. And we're gonna film and kind of check out all the stuff around here. And right over there, not too far away, is Coelho Park. Straight up that way. Then we have all these. So we're going to be following this street all the way down. So a little slice of Macau for you, right in the heart of kind of a busy, dense area. Okay, Macau. Coelho Park is straight up that way, but we're going to be walking down the other way. And there's a lot of interesting stuff throughout this whole area. This one is the interesting thing about this particular area is that there's a lot of businesses everywhere. So we can get a taste of the businesses and everything like that. And I think what I'm going to do is go across first, kind of run across here, get on the shady side of the street. Yeah, and this way is actually a bowling alley and ice skating. Let's just go up here real quick. This is kind of at the base, but what I like about here is you got chairs everywhere and gardens as well, and density and interesting stuff. I think we might be able to go down this way. Let me just see. So our target street is directly down this way. I think we can go down that way. Check out that blue building, that blue and white building. Cedar and Cisada. And this goes down a little ways. We're gonna just follow it from up here for now. There's another antique shop. So dessert and coffee, antique dessert and coffee. We'll look at that in a second. There's actually a Richmond, what's this? That's a dessert and coffee shop over there. It's called Antique. Antique seems like a funny name. Should be for furniture, not for coffee. Okay, so we're gonna go down to our target street. Give you an idea of what Macau looks like, the streets. got fruits. Then we got a temple coming up as well. So let me just check out, there's a supermarket right there. Oh, this is, I think it's a Tudipo and Tudigang. Same last window. Okay. So we're gonna keep on going down. Oops. That's an interesting shop right there. Oh. That shop looks like storage. Okay, so we're gonna just kind of keep meandering down. And we're gonna walk all the way down to the end of the street and try to give you an idea of what's all in here. I think that side of the street looks more interesting. I like it better because there's no cars on this side. So on that side you can't quite see it as well as you can on this side. So we're just giving you a taste of what the city looks like a little bit. I think Kyungwoo Hospital goes all the way up here. Little chick chat. Get some snacks. Some alleys over that way as well, between those two buildings. But we're going to walk down this way. And we're going to be walking towards Kyungwoo Hospital. So Kyungwoo Hospital is the biggest hospital in Macau. And it's pretty much straight ahead. We're going to walk right by it. We'll see if we can also see some interesting stuff along the way, of course. Let's see. There are some kind of interesting side streets down here. There's even a nice temple straight ahead. It's a kind of a golden building right there. Kind of orange. Pretty soon it's going to be really nice out when the sun goes down a little bit more. Kyungwoo's on that side. There's a wedding one. Children's books. And we're gonna keep on going down. Got duck and chicken right there. Let's see, contact supplies. So there's Kyungwoo's on that side, and we came over to this side because it's kind of boring to look at the hospital. But there it is right there, Kyungwoo Hospital, the biggest hospital in Macau. So if you need anything, that's where you go. You're gonna navigate by this Bank of China here and the bus stop. Let's see. Okay. There's another pharmacy. Lots of pharmacies throughout Macau. They're usually more closer to the border because it's very popular for all kinds of reasons. But actually this is also popular because it's near the Kyungwoo Hospital right there. So they have, I just saw some like medical kind of stuff, wheelchairs I think and different stuff, bakery. I think this street ends near this golden building, I think. So that golden building is the fire department museum. And I think the street changes names as well. And I think it might change names right around in this area. So let me see. Yeah, this will kind of change, and then I think let's see if we can get over to that side. It's a little bit tough to get over to that side now. I guess we have to. We'll just show you the buildings, and we're going to try to meander over to that area. So that's our target street, is up that way. Let's see if we can get across or not. It's not really a crosswalk right here, but I don't know how else to get across, so. So that's kind of an isolated building, and then this would be a continuation of our street if it doesn't change names to a different street. The firehouse museum. That's our target street right up there. Bomberos. So let's just go down a little bit further. Actually, I like that building over there. That golden one, the yellow one. I think we're not on our street anymore. It changes. The street changes to another one somewhere around here. Look how beautiful this building is. Yeah, it's super nice. I think it's a business now. Okay. So that was our target street, and I guess we'll just keep on going down until I see that we're not on our street anymore. Okay, let me see here. Now we're on a different street, so now I can see the street sign. So we've actually changed, and this street will end right up at the base here. But yeah, now you can see it says Coelho do Amaral Road. Something going on there. So I think I'm going to just continue down. It's kind of a cool looking building. And so our focus was actually that street, and then it just changed into a different street. But because it's kind of lively, and this street will also end up the corner, we'll go all the way down to the end. Then we'll conclude for this street. Oh yeah, there's also something interesting on the other corner over here to the left. I'll show you when we get to here. Oh, that's gone now. There was a building right on that corner, but now it's gone. So that was our target street right there. And now we're kind of at this big corners area. Let's see. So this would be, I think this would just keep on going down that way, in that direction. But it's already a different street than what we started at, so we're gonna end it right where we're at. So there we go. Another slice of Macau.
Yeah.
Macau City.